Good morning, third standard. This is Sheela here, your science class. Today I'm going to talk about a very interesting topic. Mummy, are you ready? My students always ready. Okay, today I'm going to talk about family subject. What is a family subject? Very important, cooking. Now, I'm going to explain for the whole family what is meant by cooking. That means cooking makes the food softer, kills the unwanted germs or bacteria in the food. That means which cause any disease to our body. That will kill it. Next, it makes the food tastier. Next, it makes the food colorful. Cooking means there are so many things about cooking. Now, for what are you needed for cooking? You need ingredients. Ingredients means the material what you need. You need rice, you need wheat, you need vegetables, you need dal, everything. All that you know. You must have seen in the kitchen, mummy would have kept all in a rack. You need some vessels. What is vessels? What is utensils? This is using two words, both are same meaning. Vessels and utensils is nothing but we are using something for cooking. We use in different shapes, like something will be square, some are round, some are small, some are big, depends on the family. A small family need a small vessel. A big family need a bigger vessel. All this is there. Now I'm going to show you. See, we are in steel plant. Okay, we are also making lot of many types of vessels with the help of a steel, polished steel. Okay, they are very specialized in steel things. Now we are going to learn about different type of utensils and different materials that is made up of. Now I am going to show you what are the different utensils, shape and size. Generally, I cannot give so many examples. What is needed for third standard I'll show you. And it is made up of. Suppose if I ask you, for example, a sweet chocolate is made up of sugar and cocoa powder. Like that, payasam is made up of semia and milk. Like that, I'm going to show it. Spoon is made up of silver. That is stainless steel. Like that, I'm going to show you different utensils, what is it made up of. After that, I'll be telling about cooking, then different type of cooking, and then what is a healthy eating and what is unhealthy food. All about I'll be talking little later. Now I'll show you the different types of utensils for you. As I told you that I'm going to show you different types of vessels. See, this we call it as, see, this is a pan. This is a pan. We use it for frying things and we use it for making vegetables and all that. You should ask mummy what else you will use it for. This is called kadai, or you call it as a pan, kadai, everything you can just say it. This is also a kadai, but it's made up of a different material. This is a cooker. We use it for making rice and all that. We use it with the steam. It comes with the steam. This is all this is, we may use it for taking out dosas. This you use it for taking out your sambar. This is we use it for taking out all this rice and all that. This we call it as spoons, bigger spoon, smaller spoon, dosa ladle, all that. Okay, this spoon we use it for eating and all that. Now I'm going to show materials made up of. This cooker is made up of stainless steel. Stainless steel. This dosa ladle made up of wooden. This is made up of again stainless steel, and this is made up of stainless steel. On that they have given a coating. What is mean by coating? Like painting, they have done some copper painting on it. That will help us We call it as non-sticking materials. It is a mixture of copper and some other material. They have used it. Actually, the copper will absorb the heat faster. See, if you see at the back, there are dots. This is for the induction stove. It's useful for induction stove. This material is made up of mixture of iron, steel, copper and non-sticking materials. Okay, this is pure aluminium. Aluminium is another material. This is pure aluminium material. This is actually, it is a very oldest tradition of using this material. Those days they used it. It is in a different shapes. A little cheaper material than the stainless steel. All this the same I told you. So far I told you about steel, wooden, all that. Now I am continuing it. What is the material made up of? Here you can see a beautiful pan. It's actually one of the best cooking vessel, I would say. I prefer. It is because it is made up of mud. It is made up of mud. Actually, ancient times they used to cook only in the mud parts. It's tastier, healthier, and it's very, very, very cheaper and easy to use it also. This is, you can ask your parents to buy the mud parts and start using it because it's a healthy way of cooking. Now, plastic. It is also a cooking, we are using it for not for cooking purpose directly, but are using in the kitchen. But we have to avoid this. We have to avoid. We have to throw it off. Tell mommy. Now this is also one of the nice material to use it, glass, because it will not react with anything. You can use it. And this is called porcelain. This is also another type of mud, children. This is called porcelain. This is another type of mud. It is only a mud. See, this is one type and this is another type. It's a white mud. They have designed it so well. This is a very good material for cooking as well as for eating everything. This is another good material from ancient time. This is called copper. It's very good if you keep any water inside. That will not react with anything. That gives you a clean water for us. Clean water for us. Plus it has some medical value. There's medicinal value in it. That's why people usually use it for God, this material. And another yellow color material also they use it. Both are good. And they use that water, like a holy water, they'll give for us to drink little bit. It's very good material. As usual, steel. Then silver. Pure silver. This is silver. That is what I showed you. The first one is stainless steel. Ever silver. This is a pure silver. If you want in Tamil, I will tell you Velli. This is pure silver. This is also one of the good material to use it. You have to avoid only plastic. It's bad for you as well as for the earth. Now the gold. I don't have a gold plate. I will show you my chain. But if you go to the shop, if you want to buy it for your birthday, you can ask your dad to get a beautiful plate, golden plate, because you are going to get, all of you all are going to get full mark. Yes, all my science students are very good, super students. So ask for a gold plate because you are all golden students. I want you all to have a gold plate with a golden spoon. Get it from daddy and eat that. Eat in that. Okay. These are the material they use it for making utensils. And then I'll continue with way of cooking and after a minute.